Handling sensitive data requires the right tools, so thank you for choosing CaseGuard to secure your files. In this video, we are going to be talking about the Axon and Box.com integrations inside CaseGuard. I've got the software pulled up, so let's dive straight in. From the Add New Files button, or when prompted when creating a new project, the Import Wizard will open. You can import files into CaseGuard 5 different ways. Import directly from your machine, click on Add Files, and simply navigate to where your case files are downloaded on to your machine and select them. Import files with an HTML link. For instance, take a YouTube link and paste it, downloading it and bringing it into your project. Choose your resolution and choose to import video and audio, only the video, or only the audio. Through AWS Simple Storage Solutions. To sign in, you will need an access key ID, a region, and a secret access key. Then, all your files will be available to you through this series of drop-down menus and visualized in the right-hand panel. To select files, either click on the boxes next to them, or click this box in the top next to Name. And lastly, through our Axon integration and our Box.com integration. For Axon, import your agency domain name and sign in. Once you're signed in, enter a case number or file name as it appears in Axon to view available files. You can apply filters if you're dealing with a big case. You can select individual clips by selecting their checkbox, or bring in every file on the page by selecting the checkbox in the bottom left corner. You can choose how many videos are on a page and see how many pages worth of video appear based on your search. Then, import. For Box.com, sign in using your username and password and grant access CaseGuard to Box. Select the files or use the search bar to find what you need to import. Selecting a folder will tell you how many files are inside it. You can change how you view the contents of a folder, either as a grid or as a list. Where it shows all the files in a folder, you can select individual files or select all of them by clicking the checkbox in the bottom left corner. Then click Import. From here, all your redaction tools will be available to you. If at any point during your redaction process you wish to sign in or sign out of a third-party software, you can go to Tools and click Settings. Scroll all the way down to Integrations. Sign in or sign out as necessary. For any further questions or specific scenarios, send an email to support@caseguard.com or reach out to your dedicated account manager. Thanks again for choosing CaseGuard. I'll see you in the next lesson.